First off, I want to start by saying that we have a free calls or puts membership that we're giving out. Multiple memberships being given out lifetime. This membership will last a lifetime. It's not a monthly, it's not a quarterly, it's a lifetime membership worth $1,500. And we're giving it away for free. The way to join is in our Discord server. Go to the giveaway section, and that's where you'll see the details of how to join the contest. It's going to end on December 1st, so make sure you do it as soon as possible. Anyways, in this video, we're going to talk about what each of these columns mean, because I get a lot of questions about it, especially. Well, this platform shouldn't be used by beginning traders. This is a platform that is made for people that are already trading. Reason being, this is there to confirm a trade. It's not there to help you become rich quick or, follow every single golden sweep and make money off of it. No, that's not the case. And I don't believe in getting rich quick. This platform is basically showing you the orders option flow that is coming into the market. But let's stay on the point because I know I already made a video in regards to what the filters mean. So this one we're going to talk about what each of these columns mean. Time is obviously the time that the order was placed. Ticker, and also inside of this box you get to filter. So let's say you put in Microsoft, you'll see all the Microsoft sweeps. Make sure you erase that if you put something in, because then you're gonna get trapped. This is the ticker, which is obviously the stock that's being traded. Spot price, what that means is the price of that underlying stock at the time that this specific order was placed. So here, let's say this buy one at 414, which, just in case someone asks it as well, ETFs options could go through up until 4:15 p.m. EST. But when this order went through, SPY was at 326.69. That's what spot price means. Spot price means the price of the underlying stock at the time that this order was placed. Strike is the contract strike price, which is the price that they're saying that they're either willing to sell at or willing to buy at for a call or a put. So if it's a call, 140, let's say this one's a put, so 146 strike is saying that you're willing to sell IWM at 146 at November 20th. And this one is a call, so it's saying that on November 2nd, this person is willing to buy the SPY at 330. Important thing, which, like I said, if you're a trader already, you should know that a lot of option traders do not ride it all the way to expiration. You're just trying to profit off the momentum or volatility up until you make a profit or whatever the case might be, unless it's a hedge. So this person probably is not going to exercise this contract. I guess I have to get that in just in case someone asks, because a lot of people ask me about, and that's why I say this is not a tool for beginner traders. The expiration is the contract expiration date. So on this date is when you could is when the contract expires. So you're gonna have to either exercise it or you're gonna have to sell it, and you'll make that choice based off of your personal preference. DTE means date till expiration. So let's say, like, when this was posted, that was on October 20th. Wait, hold on. That was October 30th that this, I'm doing it on Saturday. So October 20th was October 30th was the day this data was published. So date to expiration is 21 days, 3 days, 14 days, 3 days, 49 days, or whatever the case might be. Cost is the total cost of this whole trade in this specific trade. So this whole trade costed 467,000. Percent move is the percent move that requires it to get there. So IWM, it's their spot price is 153. To get to 146, they need a negative 4.64% move. Fill is at the bid or at the ask or above bid, above ask, or whatever the case might be. It just shows like if they're aggressive or not. Size, that's the amount of contracts they bought. So here they bought 1,378 contracts for the price of $339, equating to this cost of $467,831. Volume is the amount of contracts traded for that specific date. And this is the size for this specific trade. So there was obviously a lot of contracts beyond this this trade that was placed. So like if we go to IWM, we'll see like all the different volumes for the different contracts or whatever the case might be. So if we look through like the whole history of however many IWM sweeps came through, we would see a amount close to this volume. Open interest. This is the amount of open contracts at the end of day yesterday. So not today, because this gets updated every single day. And it's going to stay at that number until the next day. So make sure you know that. Volume could be constantly changing, but open interest will stay the same for that specific day. It will change the next day. Type. This one's important. So a lot of people ask me about what a sweep is and what a trade is. So sweep is just a large order that gets placed through multiple exchanges to get executed quickly, where a trade is basically a block trade, aka I guess a normal trade, where sweep is an urgency trade. Let me see if there's anything else I gotta cover. Call flow and put flow, I think I explained that, but call flow is the total amount of money and options being traded versus the puts being traded. So the reason it says sentiment is bearish is because there were more puts than calls. I think that's it. You could click onto these if you want to like see a specific stock. It's gonna populate whatever stock you click. Make sure you erase that if you want to see that full activity. Another thing is I think you have to refresh the page every time at 9:30, because if you don't refresh it, it won't start populating. Once it hits 9:30, you refresh it, it's gonna start populating everything automatically. You don't need to refresh it again. Go check out the free giveaway. So valued at $1,500. You could win it for free. Depending on how many participants we get, we will adjust accordingly to how many memberships are being given out. So go do it. Sign up if you haven't signed up for investing. Sign up with either WEBULL or Robinhood. You know, it's free stocks. You also get entered into this contest. So easy money. You know, a lot of people ask for free stuff. So here you go. All right. See you guys.